Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will show you how to replace the battery in Huawei NOVA 2 Plus. You can see it's damaged the battery. So you have to need to replace this battery because this battery is damaged. You can see how open the body. So I have to heat up this front side, back side. I have a hot gun and I heat up this back side. So guys, now I have to open. So guys, see the battery. Battery is damaged. So I have to remove this sticker first. Still this one. For this I have to remove this all plastic here. I have to remove all the screw. One more screw here. Okay guys, this is the battery connection. Okay guys, so if you want to use this battery, just open little bit from the battery side and you see it's working. If you want to replace the battery, so also you can do replace. If your battery is working good, just open the poly here and it will be work good. If you want to replace the battery, just replace. So for this replace, I have to remove fingerprint cable. So guys, you can see finally remove the battery. Easy way. So guys, remove this sticker and here is my new battery. return back this sticker. And first I have to check the position and return back the battery. So these 3 stickers I return. So now I will return back check all the connection is good. Now I return back the fingerprint cable. Guys, first I have to remove connect this steel. Okay, now I return back this. Return back this screw. Okay guys, it's finally done. And I'll return back this part. See guys, it is working. If you want, you can use some glue. For mobile glue, you can use here. So I check first is perfect or not perfect. If not perfect, I will use some glue. Maybe I need to use some glue, or it is see it's working guys.